I found a trading strategy that profited 130% in just 2 months of trading. It involves using just two indicators, and best of all, both of them are completely free on TradingView. This strategy is extremely easy to use, works in all markets, and it's insanely profitable. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'll be sharing some secrets to make this strategy even better. And I'm going to share the backtest results to show you how it performed while taking 100 trades. Let's get straight to it. First things first, you need to get on TradingView. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you're on the chart, type in any security you want to trade with. Like I said earlier, this strategy works with basically any security, so there's really no wrong answer. For this example, I'm going to be using DOGE because why not? Once you've selected what you want to trade, you're going to add the first indicator. The first indicator is the DEMA, or the double EMA. If you don't know what the double exponential moving average is, it's basically an upgraded version of the exponential moving average. The exponential moving average added, we have to change the settings a bit. Go to the settings of the double exponential moving average, and we want to change the length to 200. Then go to the style tab, and we're going to change it to blue just so it's a bit easier to see. The second indicator for this strategy is super trend. Make sure to choose this one right here. Go to the settings of the super trend indicator and make sure to change the ATR period to 12 and the ATR multiplier to 3. Now that we have the indicators added and all the settings are correct, let's get on with how to use this strategy. In this example, we're trading on the DOGE USD on the 15-minute time frame. The very first rule of this strategy is that we will only enter a long trade if the price is above the double exponential moving average, the blue line. If the price isn't above the blue line, we will not enter the trade. The second rule we must follow is that the super trend indicator gives a buy signal. Let me show you an example. So here the price is above the blue line, but the super trend indicator hasn't given a buy signal yet, so we wait. After waiting some time, the super trend indicator gives a buy signal. It is also important to note that you must wait for the buy signal candle to close before entering. This candle could give a buy signal, but change before it closes, keeping it a sell signal. So make sure you only enter after the buy signal candle closes. Once the candle closes, we enter the trade. You're going to set your stop loss at the buy signal line of the super trend indicator. So for this example, right here. The coolest thing about this strategy is that we basically have infinite profit potential. Unlike my other trading strategies where you set a 1.5 or 2 profit ratio, we're going to do something different with this strategy. We are only going to sell once the super trend indicator becomes a sell signal. This is one of the reasons why this strategy is so powerful, because you're going to have some trades where there's going to be a 4.2 profit ratio or even higher. So going back to the example, we saw the price was above the 200 double exponential moving average and the super trend indicator gave a buy signal. We then enter the trade after the candle closed and set our stop loss at the buy signal of the super trend indicator. We then wait while the price goes up for a sell signal from the super trend indicator. The super trend indicator then turns red and gives us a sell signal. This is when we exit the trade. And as you can see, we got a profitable trade. Let's do one more example. We see price just cross the blue line. We wait for a buy signal from the super trend. Once we see one, we enter, set our stop loss at the buy signal of the super trend, then wait for a sell signal. Once we see one, we exit the trade, profit. Let's go over an example for shorting. After the trade, you're going to be doing the exact opposite. Make sure the price is below the 200 double exponential moving average. Wait for a sell signal to occur. Once it does, enter the trade. Set the stop loss at the sell signal, then stay in the trade till you see a buy signal. Once you see one, exit the trade, profit. All right, I think you guys get the point. It's a pretty easy strategy to use. Next, let's take a look at the backtest results for the original strategy. For this backtest, I traded both DOGE USD and LTC USD. I did 100 trades, which took around 2.5 months. The most wins in a row I had with this strategy was 8, and the most losses in a row was 3. This stat by itself is insanely good for a trading strategy, and the trading strategy had a success rate of 60% with 60 winning trades and 40 losing trades. The total amount of gains from 100 trades was 130.14%. So yeah, this strategy was pretty good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.